climb the mountain, chase the crown, build my dreams from the underground. Now I stand where silence calls, learning wisdom through the falls. Pillars of time built on my name, strength through patience, never the same. Success is shaped by lessons I find, carving my purpose in rhythm and mind. Every burden taught me grace, every challenge found its place. Through steady hands I've come to see true power lives in integrity. The path is long, but I remain, turning struggle into gain. Each step I